Come on, handsome. Come on down. How do you feel, though? Other than having a fever. You okay? I'm glad you're getting up. We got you some food if you want it. Some fried rice. Do you like fried rice? Oh boy. Okay, here. Look here. Hey, let's do this. You want to do this real quick? Here. Want to do this real quick? Sit down. We'll open this and I'll get you some food. Let's get the second day of Christmas. Second day of Christmas. My true love gave to me. Okay, what number you got to find next? You did one already. What's next? Find the next number. Let's pause this so we can hear and see what you get.
Hello.
In case you get a music prize, we don't know what it is. So, find number 2. Look at all the numbers and find 2. You can get the box. When you see 2, you can get the box out. Don't grind. I'll get your Chewy here in a second. Okay, go ahead. Get number 2 out. Look at all the numbers. Find 2. Let me see. What's that one? Okay. Let's look at all the numbers here. What's that one?
24.
17. No. What's that one? That 2?
11.
11.
10.
10.
15. 2.
Oh, there it is. Can you pull the box out?
Open.
Let me see. Can you get it out? Here. A little bit tricky, right? Okay. There you go. You open it right here. I don't want to tear the box up too much because we can reuse these boxes. Here we go. Let's see what you got, bud. What is it? Get it out. Let's see. What is it? Oh, wow.
Come on, please.
Let's take a look, see what it is. Yesterday you got some tubes. You love those tubes. There you go. Check it out. What does it do?
I play guitar.
I will, buddy. I will. Let's take a look at your prize first. See what it does. Does it move? What does it do? Try turning it. Crank it. Yeah, crank it. Turn it. Turn it. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. A new prize. That's neat, huh? Crank it one more time. I'll get a good picture of it. Ready? Got it? Okay, let's see it up close. Okay. Does it dancing. Dancing, dancing. He's a dancing machine. Okay. Let's get this, put this back. Let's put the box, keep the box. We can use it next year. That's what's really cool about these boxes. They're reusable. Gotta keep them in the same place. And then tomorrow we'll look for 3, bud. Yeah, he's into it. He likes it. That's great. I'll get you some food, darling.
Try it. Take one bite. You love it. It's the kind of soup you like. Take a bite.
Okay.
You're okay.
This is the first thing JJ's eaten today, really. It's terrible.
It's not too hot. It's not too hot.
It's not hot, Bubba.
Take a bite. Good job. See?
Good. This makes us
First
feel
bite's always the best, Bubba. There you go. All right, good.
good. You eat some of your food, Bubba? Good job, Bubba. Good job. Good.
She's sleepy.
You're getting sleepy?
Yes.
I know you are. Can you take a couple more bites at least? Because this is all you got to eat today. A couple bites and you can go to bed.
Yeah.
JJ's toy, sensory toy. She loves it.
She's like going up to it. What is that? Huh? Oh, she's hilarious. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Look at her with your toy. Watch. Get it, sweetie. Go get it. JJ is feeling a bit better today, which is really great. We're happy about that. He has not had a fever, so we're going to check again right now. Hold your head up for me. Okay. Yeah, 97.4, so he's good. You are doing really good, Bubba. Okay, here we're going to do this. What is today? What day is today? Huh?
3.
3, yep. Can you find 3? Oh, you found it already. Get it out. Here, let me see here. Not easy, huh? There we go. Okay. See what you got in it. What'd you get today? Pull it out. Let's see what you got, boy. Oh, wow. You made open it?
No.
It's got a ball.
The microwave.
It's almost like a little pipe,
Microwave. 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 Microwave.
Mm-hmm. Is that? And here's a ball.
Microwave.
Oh, JJ loves his microwave. Here you go. Try blowing it. See what it does. Huh. Whoa. Let me get the ball. I found it finally.
Microwave.
What about it?
You're not gonna love a microwave.
JJ loves his microwave. I know you do, Bubba.
JJ.
Okay, let's try this again here. I'm not sure what it's supposed to do, but I think it's supposed to float.
Man.
Here we go. Okay, blow. Let's see. Watch it. Oh. Whoa, that's cool.
Man.
Wait, I want to do that again. Do that again. Let's watch it.
Man, microwave.
Okay. Well, pretty soon anyway. Here. Blow it. Wow. It goes up pretty high. That works perfect. Well, let's see how high it can go. Blow really big. Let's see what it does. That is cool, actually. This is pretty cool. You should try to play with it. Try to blow. Try to blow and make it. You got to keep. All right. You're a mess. Oh, there it goes flying. There goes the ball over there. Okay, Jay.
Microwave.
You're a mess.
New microwave. Put it.
I don't know. We got to figure out where we're going to put it, right? I think this is a pretty cool toy, actually. I like the way the ball goes up like that and stays in it. This is where you got to use... Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Here it is. Okay. This is where you got to use some balance, and you got to keep it straight. Okay, keep it straight, and I'll try blowing in it. Keep it... No, you got to keep it up. Here, watch. You got. Here's what you got to do. You got to wait. You got to keep it straight like that. Straight. There you go. Yeah, that's cool. Works perfect. I love that. That's a cool toy.
I'll put it microwave.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay. Good job, buddy. Third day of Christmas is done.
Put a
Microwave crazy, aren't you?
microwave.
It's a black microwave.
It was a snack. I like the way he said that.
All right, come here. Take the plastic off this one, bud. JJ, take plastic off. See? There we go. Look at that. Brand new. Okay, well, we got to figure out where we're going to put it, right?
Oh. Not okay.
Got 2 microwaves, buddy.